Let's look at the inside of this 1968 Suburban. You know, at first glance, the interior actually doesn't look so bad. I was impressed with the steering wheel because they're usually pretty cracked, and I redid one in our 1961 Falcon, and so I was happy to see I didn't have to do that work again. And this is where it gets a little tricky because I swear that tailgate was getting ready to fall off there. I didn't realize when I was putting pressure on it, and I stepped on it a little bit here, and that's when I noticed. This Suburban is covered in mold and mildew and it smells terrible, but honestly, that is the least of our worries right now. And this footage is actually pretty cool. This is where my husband discovers that there's a full gas tank underneath the back seat. And we have to look for a little more evidence. It might be a dealer installed gas tank.
It should have a backrest. Factory seatbelt, so pretty cool.
And this is where I'm always hoping we're gonna find money or something really cool.
Oh, it's got a posi rear axle. Came factory with tinted glass, side trim. I think this thing has a turbo 400 in it. Heavy duty battery. White was the color. Rear seats were bought. Bucket seats. It's got 373 rear, which is good. Cruise control added. It's got 327 in it.
And here you can see all the cleaning that's just going to need to take place. And again, that's the least of our concerns, especially since my husband was messing around with the motor and we are pretty sure it is locked up. We were kind of expecting that, but it is what it is. And finally, just sharing here the options that came from the factory, just because it's pretty cool. Anyway, follow along for how this is going to turn out. We're not really sure.